So I am thankful for all of the food on this table, the house over our heads, and the family at this table. And also I am thankful for photosynthesis.
What?
So photosynthesis, we think it's just for plants, right? Well, actually, so it starts in the chloroplast, which is a plant cell in the leaf, and so you start. So there's two processes. There's the light dependent, which is also known as the Z scheme. So it starts in photosystem 2, and so you have two electrons that are like building up, and then it goes and it pukes out, and it goes into the electron transport chain, and it goes and it's going from a low to high gradient, so it's using active transport, and then it goes into photosystem 2, and then it parties, as Mr. Fleming would say, and then it pukes it out, and it goes on a little, it goes in the electron transport chain, and it goes down a little, and then it's tired again, and then it goes into the ATP synthase, where it produces ATP, and then it's transforms into ADP because it uses all the energy, and NADPH transforms into NADP plus because it uses all the energy, and then it goes out of the thylakoid membrane, which is where all this is happening, and goes out into the stroma. And then we start the second process called light independent reaction, or the Calvin cycle. So it starts off, you have five carbon dioxides, and the first step is called a carbon fix, where you have the 5 carbon dioxide, and then you add one more, and then it goes down, and it automatically splits into two groups of 3, and then it goes down a little more, and then you drop off one of the carbon dioxide, and while they split up into 2 groups, they have they use ATP and NADP plus, and then it goes on to the 4th one, where they recycle, and then it starts over, and this has to happen 6 times in order to get 18 ATP and then 12 NADPH, and then after all those 6 times of this Calvin cycle, we get glucose, and glucose is sugar, so we use sugar.
Can we eat now, woman?
Yes.
I am grateful that Julia